Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn other type of Fibonacci. It's Fib channel. Cause when we are in uptrend or downtrend, we're not gonna see only parallel channel. We will also see some diagonal lines, diagonal channel moves like that. So that's why when we use this tool, I'll show you this one. It will also give us some idea about diagonal channel, diagonal line as well. So we need to find uptrend or downtrend to set our Fibonacci channel. I'm on BNB and this is an uptrend, as you can see. Let me get closer. Yes, I want to make it on there. So I'm just clicking on that Fib channel, and for uptrend to set my Fibonacci channel, I need two bottom and one top, like that. So when I get closer, you will see something. As you can see, price using as a diagonal channel this Fibonacci. Do you see that wicks? Yes, it's walking on top of it and it keep using it. As you see, there is have rejection, it's also using that. There is have some wicks, it's using that part. As you see, there is have small rise, but each wicks using that channel. And also, as you see, there is a strong wicks and it's hit exactly that Fib channel. So when we have a diagonal lines, we can also expect some up channel in Fib channel as well. As you see, when we are here, it's also using that line, especially here. Do you see that? And it's again coming here as a resistance. It's breaking up, but it's not strong enough. It's dropping down. While it's rising, it keep using that channel. So when we have some uptrend or downtrend, if we wanna try to find the way, try to find the direction, we can use Fibonacci channel. This is for uptrend, and let's make it for downtrend as well. Let's see downtrend sample on Solana. So as you can see, there's a one downtrend. It's over here, and I'm getting closer to it. Yes, I will choose here. So when I am setting up my Fibonacci channel on downtrend, I need to, this time opposite, I need to find two top and one bottom, like that. So when I get closer, as you can see, price using that channel as well. It's dropping down on that level, it's rising, but each rise, as you see, it's making diagonal movements in that shape of channel. It's hitting that line and it drops down. It's using that channel kinda, and price getting squeezed inside of that. Even here, price rise and it touched top of that Fibonacci line and it dropped down so sharply. Of course, there's other formation also, but the things when we open our Fibonacci channel in uptrend or downtrend, we will get diagonal lines, diagonal channels, and it will be very useful while we are making some trade. With that way, you will also get some information while price dropping, because price not go straight, it makes some zigzag movement, and this Fibonacci channel give us that shape. This is also very useful tool, And you have to know that, same as rest of Fibonacci tools.